Hello and welcome to your second tutorial on HTML. First off, if you haven't watched the first tutorial, it's really okay as long as you have a basic knowledge of how to create an HTML document. If you don't, then you should go back and watch the first tutorial. Otherwise, open up the document you created in the first tutorial. Open one up with Notepad and another one up with Firefox. Second. Here we go. As you can see, it just has a hello like we put before. So today what I'm going to be going over is the basic tags of HTML. Tags are things like you write text in between and it does stuff in the most simplest terms. So first off, any tag starts with a left pointing arrow, then the name of the tag, which in this case is HTML, and then the right pointing arrow. And then you end a tag by left pointing arrow slash name of the tag and right pointing arrow. So this is HTML. Everything we have, any part of your website would be inside HTML. So there's two more tags that are required inside here, and they are the head and body tags. I'm just going to space those out a little more. And there. Now the head tag is anything that you have that's going on behind the scenes. Say like you want to change the font color or the background color, that will be in the head tag. And the body tag is basically all the stuff up front, like the text, the drop-down menus, the, rich text boxes, so on and so forth. And so what we're going to do is in here, inside the body, we're just going to write hello, like we did before, just inside body. Now we're going to save that and refresh. As you can see, it just says hello, just like I did before, but and what was the point of adding all these confusing tags? Well, if I just wrote hello like I did before, and that was it, then I wouldn't be able to add anything special. Like I wouldn't be able to change the color of anything. I wouldn't be able to change the font size. I wouldn't be able to, do anything besides type text and have it appear on the screen. So that's why we have the tags in here, so that you can add special attributes and stuff like that to your text. So first off, the next tags I'm going to show you are not required, but they're things to add to your thing to make it look cooler. The first one is the header tag. There's actually 6 header tags. I'm just going to do header 1, and I'm going to close it over here. Header 2, and header 1. Header 1. Then I'm going to save that and refresh up here. As you can see, it made it bigger because now it's a header. Header 1 is the largest of the headers. Header 2 is slightly smaller. Header 3 is slightly smaller, so on and so forth. So you do all the headers by typing the H and then the number of the header. So I'll just do 6. Save that and refresh. As you can see, it's smaller. So that's the smallest. Header 1 is the largest, so you can get the range in between there. And then after the header tag, there is the paragraph tag. The paragraph tag is basically, it's just like writing regular text, but it's just a way to organize it better by doing the paragraph tag, because paragraph tags are where you're going to put all your large segments of text. So I'm just going to write hello. I'm going to copy it and paste it a bunch of times and end the tag, and I'm just going to split it. And yeah, so that's what it's just going to look like one line though, because I didn't add an end line. So I'm going to save this and refresh. As you can see, I changed that back to header 1, and as I showed you before, or as I told you, even though all the text, like down here, I split it up into different lines, it's not in separate lines here. It just added a space. Well, that's because pressing enter on here is not the same on here. This isn't like a text editor. You can't just press enter and have it go down the line. If you want to have something like that happen, what you're going to have to do is I'm just gonna have it right hello, and if you want to have a line break or it skip to the next line, you have to add the line break tag, which looks like this: left pointing arrow, BR slash, and then right pointing arrow, and that's all you have to do. Save. I'm just gonna add another text here. Hello. Save that. Refresh. As you can see, I added a line there, so it just added a space. That's the basics of HTML. That's all we're going to get to in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions or video requests, you can always talk to me in my AIM account, which will be in the video description, or you can PM me at this account, and I also have an email which will be in the description. And thanks for watching, and bye.